Come along, let's learn today what our Prophet used to say. First, second, third Kalima, say them with us everyone. La ilaha illallahu, Muhammadur Rasulullah. La ilaha illallahu, Muhammadur Rasulullah. There is no God but Allah, Muhammad is his messenger. Say it loud, say it clear, keep it always in your heart so dear. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah, wahdahu la sharika lah, wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasulullah. I bear witness there's only one Allah, and he has no son. Muhammad is his servant true, the last prophet, peace be to you. Subhanallah walhamdulillah wa la ilaha illallah, wallahu akbar, wa la hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, wa la quwwata illa billah. Glory be to all above, all praise and thanks and endless love. Allah is great and He is near, His help is with us, have no fear. First Kalima, second two, third one makes our hearts so true. Say them daily, learn and pray, live in Allah's light each day.